Hey there! Today we're going to look at how you can connect Facebook lead ads to N8N and automate your lead management easily. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your N8N workflow dashboard. Over here, click on Add Node to start building your workflow. Then in the search bar, type Facebook lead ads and select the node. After that, you'll need to choose the operation, so you can either select Watch Leads or Get Leads. Then head over to the Credentials section and click on Create New. After that, choose Facebook Lead Ads OAuth 2 to set up the connection. Now a login pop-up will appear, so sign in with your Facebook account that manages your page. Over here, make sure to allow all the permissions so N8N can access your pages and lead forms properly. Then, once your account is connected, go back to the node settings. After that, select your page from the list. Over here, choose the specific lead form that you want to connect. Now, this ensures that all the leads from that form will be captured inside your workflow. Then you can connect this node with other nodes depending on what you want to do next. After that, you can send the lead data to things like email tools, CRMs, or any other apps. Over here, this is where the automation really becomes powerful. Now, click on Execute node to test if everything is working correctly. Then, if you selected Watch Leads, make sure to activate your workflow. After that, N8N will automatically run the workflow whenever a new lead is submitted. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.